because it's iconic, and I love to do iconic
Oh, I like to think I have got a great backside. I've been weightlifting since I was 17 years old and nearly 24. I just do not compete with Kim Kardashian, and I have found her exact butt workout. So I'm going to give it a go today. We're going to do a before and after pump, see if I look any different after one workout, and yeah, it's going to be so much fun. Okay, so Kim Kardashian's personal trainer dropped Kim's official bum workout, and the first exercise is walking lunges. So Kim does 4 sets of 20 reps per. Okay, so the next exercise Kim does is an elevated glute bridge, or well, it's basically a hip thrust. She doesn't really use a heavy weight, so she does it quite light on a bench, just like this. So I'll show you how that's done properly. She does 20 reps, 4 sets. That's quite a lot of reps. She seems to do like more endurance rather than hypertrophy. Okay, so I've just done 20 reps, 1 set. I didn't find that difficult at all. It definitely raised my heart rate. Like I said, I feel like this workout so far is more endurance. I'm so used to like super heavy weightlifting, but I do definitely feel like after 4 sets, you are going to feel a nice burn, especially if you're more of a beginner with training. You definitely feel burn. I'm excited for this one. The next one is goblet squats. I flipping love a goblet squat. So for this exercise, Kim does 4 sets of 12 to 20 reps. I am actually feeling a really good burn right now. Whew. The next exercise Kim does, we're nearly there, is kickback. I feel can love a kickback as well, but Kim does a lot of reps. It's 5 sets of 50 per leg. That is a lot of reps, so I'm just going to get started with this. Make sure you hit that subscribe, guys, and check the description for all my other socials. This exercise is the devil. No. And that is Bulgarian split squats. If you know, you know. If you don't know, try them and you will feel my pain. It's the kind of pain that makes you want to scream, feel so angry. But when you finish, you feel so good. This exercise, Kim does 12 reps for 4 sets. This is one of the smallest rep exercises she does in her booty plan. It doesn't say to use weights, so I'm not going to use weights. Let's get into it. Okay, straight after the workout is finished, let's do a booty pump. Let's see if I look any different. I am definitely feeling a burn. Thoughts on this workout? I am genuinely so impressed. I am a lower rep, really high weight girly, and my heart rate is pumping. I've put a sweat on, my booty's aching. I could definitely feel the pump. Like, I can definitely see how Kim K keeps her unreal figure with this workout. It feels like a fat burning, booty burner kind of workout. Definitely more high intensity than hypertrophy, but all in all, I'm genuinely so impressed. Let me know in the comments what you guys think and if you gave it a go.